catching some wake and bouncing. That's one of the things these boats do not like weights. Rob.
Yeah, it is.
He's got a fairly fast 9 of the split at 31 seconds. The previous fastest was about 42. And he sounds like he's running rough.
Maybe the throttle.
Hardly, we think it's a bounce, but it doesn't.
Wow, he is moving. Come on, get there. Crack this fucker up and he'd be out of the
Oh, he's fast, oh man, he's fast, whoever he is. Come on, don't wipe out on us, man. Woo! Oh, he's baking it.
I can't believe all the stock I have in this guy.
Come on, baby.
This comeback picture is delightful.
I know, yeah, this is a bad angle here. Come on, he's coming back around. Yeah!
We love you long time.
We can! Come on.
Come on, come on, come on.
Come on, you can beat it. Yeah, it's doing video now. I'll send you some video. I need to send it to Wicked. Yeah! Yeah, he's a good driver.
I can't believe I've won.
He knows what he's
I
doing.
can't believe I get to go. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Did you really?
Oh, get out of here. I'm gonna film you guys. Woohoo!
Most of the time, Mike's full of crap.
I'm trying to film this, man. I'm trying to film it.
Oh, mess with you. I thought you were talking.
Wow.
I don't know what he's saying.
I know Chinese for sure.